can go ahead and get started. Nice clear voice.
Okay, so first I did the headings for it, and then went to column 100. Then I went back and did the rows all the way to 100. Oops. Then after that, I decided to fill in the ran between. And then you just fill it down and fill it over there. And after that, I did the headings. And I self-styled heading 4. Then after that, I did. I forgot. I need to do the centering. And after that, you need to highlight all these and do conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules greater than 75. Custom format. Fill. Just pick a green one. Okay. And then after that, you go page layout, margins, last custom setting, which is 2 inches on each side. Then you go to headers, add a header. I'll do my name and a footer, the date. After that, you go here and make it so these rows and columns repeat. And I think I'm done. Should be done now.
Well done. Very good.